Hello, what is up, guys? Today got the YZ85 out. It just rained super bad last night. That's why there's like sticks around everywhere and there's a couple puddles. I just cleaned the bike too, so it's gonna get nasty today. But I just got a GoPro Hero 13. So I hope y'all can see, like, so now I can start filming some full-length videos. I know it's been a while. It's been like a little while since we filmed a full-length video on the channel. So yeah, let's just get right into it. I hope y'all enjoy. Yeah, let's just have some fun today. I hope the angle's good. I'll check it once I start riding. Oh yeah, by the way, I can't really like ride in that many places. Like I'm gonna ride in, like parking lots, like on this gravel trail thingy right here because of the cops. So I got my dirt bike impounded. Anyway. Come from?
I was calling you for like 30 minutes.
Dude, I just started recording. That's cool.
You're on 13.
Oh.
Hello?
Oh.
Hello?
Oh wait, I forgot to tighten the...
Jump right here?
Yeah, hit it. I don't think the people at the tennis courts appreciate this. I'm gonna do a whole shot. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a whole shot. You ready? This is what I have to do every time. Annoying, ain't it? All right, guys, we're on Talaria since we're actually going somewhere now. So we're gonna try to bleed up my rear brake because it actually sucks. Like I'm not actually far right now. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, look at that. Is that a 6.0? Oh no, that's a 6.4. Oh my gosh, dude, this wind. Try not to drop it back too far. Oh.
Oh my god.
He hit. Turns out I really do not need to bleed my brakes. Fluid's full and everything. So, basically I'm just gonna change out my pads. It ain't gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be a lot better than like no brakes. So, brakes all the way up there. Dude, you need to kickstart it?
Yeah. Am I muddy?
Yeah.
Am I muddy?
Yeah. Alright guys, there's a cop right there. Oh, he's chill, he's chill. Nice, nice. Oh. Hello. Hello. There's like plenty of chill cops, but there's also a lot of like not chill cops, I'm not gonna lie. Like before this thing, I had a Razor. It was electric. It was like a tiny little bike. Some cops, like I had like, I think 3 cops pull me over for the time I had that. Like for what? I wasn't even doing anything. I was really coasting, like I was going about this speed for all the times. I don't know why they'd even pull me over. But